is Stacy.
Oh, okay.
Your coworker?
No, we met a few years ago, actually. We've been friends for a long time. She eats so much Asian food.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, like your
Like
Lola.
she's at
I-
TNT all the time.
I grew up 2-hour flight from Japan.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
why.
because I lived
Yeah.
in Russia. And
Get what you want.
short ribs or
What
something.
shrimp?
Yeah, just take whatever you guys want.
You have to go eat in there. Not downstairs.
Oh yeah.
Hello po mga kasenyor. Good day po sa inyong lahat at happy Easter Sunday po. Andito kami ngayon sa bahay ng panganay kong anak at kami makikikain lang ng hapunan at kami didiretso uli dun sa kila nanay at merong repeat performance yung karaoke singer nila, singing namin. O sige po mga kasenyor at samahan na lang uli ninyo kami. Una pala nun.
Yung binasalang ng ulo niya.
So, ayan.
Sana sila, ano?
Ito kami ngayon sa aming oh nako.
Say hi, hi, other lolo.
Say hi to the camera.
Tingnan mo't nakairap paano namang lalapitan mo yan ang bagsik ng tingin no.
Smell good.
Oh, do you smell
Okay, high five.
Ay Jana.
You wanna bless Lolo? You bless Lolo? Bless.
Oh, that's
So silly.
ayaw ngumiti.
say hi to the
Ayaw
camera?
lang ngumiti eh. Oh,
Say hi, camera.
say hi. Hi.
Hello.
Ayaw. Nako. Meron naman yung aming paghaharap-harapan. Nakaluto na sila.
Ano ako na?
Puro ko nito, puro karne.
Hindi ko nga naluto. Kaya meron ano doon, sinigang na hipon. Hindi ko nga naluto yung aking isda dahil naglinis pa kami. Kaya ito
Oh,
lang.
ayan, oh.
Saka ito lang fruit salad ang nagawa ko.
Chicken wings. Tsaka ito inihaw ng bawari sa puti.
Inihaw na baboy.
Inihaw na hipon at saka ito.
Steak.
Inihaw na baka. Steak daw ito. Tsaka meron galing sa Chinese food. Tsaka itong fried rice. Oh. Yan ang paghaharap-harapan namin.
Hindi ka kakain.
Dito?
Meron naman yung mga prutas.
Bukas lulutuin ko yung isda at saka yung marami pa rin yung isang araw na. Ano yung
Ayan po. Meron pa palang
Greek salad.
Greek salad. I get lots of
Okay.
kind of hoe. What,
Because I bought an action hoe. It's like the square one.
Those two.
Oh, yeah.
And it's not
Yeah.
working.
Yes, yes, yes.
You wanna go upstairs?
Yeah.
But it's not right.
Hindi come to my place and I'll give
I just
bisita. Yung dalawa ko apo. Yung si
Hello.
Kevin. At yung aking apong babae. Ito,
Fried rice?
si Camille. And
Oh
friend.
yes, my grandpa is a vlogger. He is. Oh, you want to go?
There you go.
Gianna, do you want milk tea?
Are you okay now?
open this. You want
Okay.
some
Did you try the
noodles?
strawberries, Mom?
You go with olive.
Oh, this is literally the salad I was gonna bring.
That's so funny.
Okay, wait.
Oh yeah, I love it. I like always get it because it's like really healthy and, or in my mind.
Super healthy.
What's her name?
This is Stacy.
Oh, okay.
Your coworker?
No, we met a few years ago, actually. We've been friends for a long time. She eats so much Asian food.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, like your
Like
Lola.
she's at
I-
TNT all the time.
I grew up 2-hour flight from Japan.
Oh, that's why.
Because I lived
Yeah.
in Russia.
You love veggies?
Yeah, Japanese food is different
Yeah.
from
It is, yeah.
Most of them have a little bit of sugar.
Oh,
taste.
yeah.
She brought these, which are so good.
Oh.
And I got the
that-
seaweed salad.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That
Yeah,
one?
So
this
good.
one, yeah.
The seaweed salad,
Yeah.
I love it.
And short ribs are so
Yeah, just take whatever you guys want.
I'll have to go eat in there. There's not tons of space.
Oh yeah, all good.
You're gonna
Oh,
watch.
there's fortune cookies.
Yeah. You're gonna watch Mickey and Minnie.
Oh, I want some of that too.
This one is a little bit spicy.
Which one?
Yeah, that
This
one.
one.
Which one? Oh,
And this
This
one
is
is.
for kids, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
I'm gonna feed Levi after.
Yeah,
It's a
he
little
said.
early.
Yeah, he said that he's not hungry yet.
Well,
There's some
We had Denny's.
shrimp.
prawn.
This is my brother's.
Here,
You want shrimp?
think you do on a shrimp?
The big turkey, like.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Did you guys make this? Feed them right?
No, no, we don't make
Your
anything
dad.
except that fruit salad that was in the fridge.
There's a macaroni salad too. Fruit salad and macaroni.
I'm gonna eat now. Okay, ako'y kakain muna.
Wala na kumakain.
Tuloy kakainin ko Greek salad.
No pork.
At saka siguro chicken.
Wing. Ito.
Chicken wings. Yeah.
Ito.
Yan, oo. Dala pa lang ng kanya eh. No?
Anong kaibigan ni...
Sarap to.
Masarap yan.
Sarap din yun.
Oo, masarap.
Seaweed.
Seaweed salad.
Sarap isabay ito sa pagkain.
Ayan, hipon. Hipon. Ayayin mo ba ng beef?
No.
Oo.
You say it. Do it. Ginapitan ko.
There, beef. Beef. Ang beef.
Ayaw niya pa kumain.
You want some shawarma? Some of
Kahapon
these?
itong
Huh?
hanggang.
No? Yes?
Kinakamay ko na. Oh.
Kaya naman nakainte. Pag andito yung mamin.
Like cheap.
Meron yung isang ano.
Alin?
Ipon.
Try this, Will. It's good.
Dala din ano, hapon niya. Ay, nung puti.
Ay, binibili na sa costo na ito binibili. Marami din ba ito? Ayan. Merong...
Bubbly ba yan?
Hindi.
Hindi,
Juice lang.
blue.
Juice lang.
Blue monkey.
Juice lang.
Good? Not zero, I don't like it.
That's good. My brother's favorite.
Natural lang yan. Alang halo. Alang halong matamis. Natural na matamis lang. No? Go eat. Siguro muna ni Vernon si Gigi Pet. Ang salad ko yun.
You like brother's salad?
Yeah.
Some? That's good.
So ayan, makakain na kami. At kami pupunta naman sa kabilang bahay. Sa
Another party.
another party. Continuation ng aming Holy Saturday. Ngayon naman
Holy smoke na ngayon.
oo, kuha na ngayon. Ano na ba ngayon?
Ano ba yung Sunday?
Easter Sunday.
Easter.
Doon naman itutuloy yung kantahan doon.
Even from the salad.
Oh, this one's
They already had it last night, Mikey. They said they
Continuation of the karaoke.
See this? They bought it from there.
Ooh. This is a nice size.
Yeah, but you can adjust it from here.
That's nice.
You can adjust to make it
Okay.
look.
Okay, we'll get ready. We're going. Still,
Right there. Did they paint? Did they paint or?
Yeah.
kami pauwi na rin.
See my baby. I made this. No, he didn't. But he made this as well.
Oh, nice. Whoa, are you going to
Okay, we're going now. Thank you, Kevin.
Yep.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Camille.
Here's my, ano,
Si
Kuya,
Bronwyn.
do you want to take this to your car?
Oh, please, yeah. And that.
At ako na magdadala ni Noare.
Oh, here.
Oh, punta na kami. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I go down.
oh, where did Daddy go? Is Daddy going out? Yeah,
She's so sweet. Oh, she just wants to break free.
Oh, look.
Break free.
Look. Oh.
Say hello, Lo. Guys.
Oh, sige.
Kanya na yung mga dalan. You want to
Oh.
airplane?
Come and get me! Come and get me! Come and get me!
Could you go?
Come on. That's good.
Not yet.
Oh, not yet, not yet.
Yeah, we're buying Tim Horton here.
Naka-leave ng cars, okay?
I watch it.
Eh, susunod ako. Oh, ayan mga kasenyor, at kami dadaan muna rito sa Tim Horton at bibili kami ng kape para mainom ng mga magsisikanta doon kila nanay. Oh, sige po at susundan ko si Mrs. sa loob para madala yung order niya at hindi niya kayang mag-isa yun. Ayan, bali itong in-order namin mga donut at saka muffin at yung kape hinihintay pa ni Mrs. sa loob pa.
Grab your key.
So ayun na si Mrs. Yan, kami tutuloy na. Didiretso na kami dun sa kila nanay.
Look heavy.
Yeah, akin na anak yung pars.
Alas 7:30 na ng gabi. Pero
Tama, magkakape na lang sila.
Pero maliwanag pa.
Sumunod ka dun sa babae.
Ayoko. Dito na lang.
Ay, hindi naman lalabas yan. Alas 7 na.
Ayan na kami. Okay, ito na kami.
This, yeah. That's Joshon's car.
Yeah.
That's Thomas.
Okay. Yan.
Kaya ko bandalin. Ay, Diyos ko, sintonado.
Yan na.
Dapat nga sa market, maganito kayo. Dami makikita mo. Coffee. Oh, hello my
Oh, ayan. Kita-kita na.
I-edit version nito, ito yung pangit eh.
Oh,
Oh.
halaw. Oh, may kakape naman daw.